Hey guys and girls, welcome to the channel. Hey, tonight we're going to do something a little different. Back in 2020, I recorded a video on how to register your Ryobi tools. Ryobi has since changed their website around and it's a whole lot different. So tonight I'm going to record a new video so that you can see the new steps to registering all your Ryobi tools, so that if you ever have any warranty issues, all of those will be taken care of. So without further ado, let's get started.
Okay, let's get started here. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Ryobi's website. That's ryobitools.com. Now I'm going to put all this information in the description of the video, so if you forget something you can look there and I'll have their contact number and the website. Okay, so you're going to want to click on register products here. If you're the first time to this website, the next thing you're going to want to do is click on this link that says I don't have an account yet. Click there. It's going to open up this screen, and you're going to fill in your information and set whatever preferences you want. If you don't want any of these, don't check them, and then hit sign up. Alright, so I'm going to say I already have an account, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. There we go. Once you log in, give it a second. When you see that red bar up there, don't, just give it a minute. It changes to this screen. I hate this pop-up registration, but it pops up. Just close it. And you're going to go here to the first thing you're going to put in is the model number. So today I'm going to do a PCL 480 and then hit the enter key. And it takes you to this screen right here. And you get to pick the one that you have. And let's see, I actually have this rotary station. You just click the register now. Click the complete your registration. Now there's a couple of, let me get, the website's not moving quite as fast. Once you get to this, if you have a receipt, you're going to want to have taken a picture of it with your phone and emailed it to yourself, save it to your desktop, and then you would just click upload receipt. It'll give you a browse button. You'll see here. It'll ask for the receipt number, and if you've taken a picture of it, the receipt number is right above the cashier's name if you purchase this at Home Depot. You'll put that number in, you'll put the purchase date in, hit upload file. If you purchase someplace else or you don't have a receipt, just click no receipt and enter the purchase date as close as you can. I mean, it doesn't have to be the exact date. If you don't remember the exact day you purchased the item on, just go ahead and put the closest date you can to it. And like this particular one, I'm going to put 0901 2022. And then I'm going to scroll down and hit the next button. It then asks you for the serial number. And you're going to put in the serial number and then hit next and then hit save, and you're done with that. Now so then once you get that, you hit successful, and that's all there is to registering the actual tool. If you go back up here to your profile and you click on my products, you can see, scroll down, you can see all the products that have been registered under your name and your profile. I hate this pop-up here, so I'm going to close it again. So the other thing I want to show you too, if you happen to purchase a Ryobi kit that has, like something recently I purchased was a blower and it came with 2 batteries and a charging station, then when you get to this point, you're going to put in the kit model number. And that's what I'm going to do now. And you'll search, hit the enter key, and I wanted to show you what it does. It brings up this particular item is the kit that I purchased, and I'll click register now, then hit the complete registration, and then hit, I can't remember if I had a receipt for this one. I might have. No, I don't think I did. I actually did. Let me see if I saved it to my desktop. Okay, well, cancel that. I did have a receipt, but I didn't want to show you all of it, so I'm just going to hit no receipt, put in the purchase date, which was 8-23-22, and go next. And you can see it gives you the option to put in the serial numbers for all of the items here. So you would put that in and then hit next, and you would go to the same screen again, save it, and you're done. So that's all there is to registering the products. If you happen to come to this website and you sign in, it won't take you to the page where it asks for the model number that you're registering. Usually means that their website's down. It was down a couple of days ago, so it's kind of delayed this video, but it is up and working again. You can also call the 800 number. Like I said, I'll put all that information in the description of the video, so if you ever just want to call and register your items, you can do that too. Hopefully this was helpful. One of the things I would ask you to do today is watch the entire video. It really helps me. And then number two, I have a question. So I really would like to see Ryobi create an app that you could download to your phone, so that anytime you purchased a Ryobi product, all you would have to do is sign into your account just like you do on the website and take a quick photo of the item's serial number and model number that you're registering, and it would auto register it to your account under your name. If you think that's a good idea, in the comments put absolutely yes, Ryobi app needed, or Ryobi app, or just yes, or anything that you want. If you have any questions regarding how to register your Ryobi tools, make sure you put it in the comments. I answer all the questions, and I'll be glad to help you out there when I can. Again, hopefully you like this. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, comment, share with your friends and family, and last but not least, make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And until next time, stay safe.